All right, again, with people having issues with connections, connecting the lasers. Obviously, this button here is where you go to switch your lasers. Obviously, you can have as many as you want. You can have six up here. So click here. Obviously, you'll get this. This was connected already, but obviously, I go like this one. Click it. It will say switch, so you want to switch, but it's not green, so it's still not connected. Click this again. Normally, you hit connect here. This doesn't work, which it won't work. So connection failed. Come down here and hit this connect device, and then use USB or Wi-Fi. So all this is on Wi-Fi. So these are my other lasers that I already have connected. And there's my S1 that I'm trying to connect. Just click on that one. It will turn green. It goes away, and now you're connected. Hopefully that helps with any issues people are having.